G'day, mate.
Hey, brother. How you doing?
Good to see you.
Been a long while, eh?
Hey,
Daygin, this is Ash.
I'm Daygin.
Nice to meet you. Today, we're taking adventure photographer Daygin Prescott out on the road to try something new. We've spent some time preparing in the Youi shed, getting all the gear we need. You can check out that episode in the link in the description. It's all thanks to Youi Insurance, so come along for the ride.
How good is it, mate?
Oh,
Out
yeah.
in the wild.
Yeah.
Away from the city.
Just like, it's like you've just been transported somewhere, hey.
So this is probably our last chance to kind of stop before we hit the off-road section of the track. Just have a little check of everything. Make sure obviously the tyres are all looking inflated and good, even though we were running gauges on there. Because with something this big, like the last thing you want is something to go wrong that was avoidable.
With any adventure like this, it always pays to be prepared, whether that's with gear, training, or insurance. You'll be glad you're covered if things go sideways.
So we are just on the little drive out to Booloumba Creek now. So probably about 5 minutes. And then, yeah, we're into the nice areas around here. So very exciting. So where do you reckon we should park it, mate?
I mean, I'd probably pull up down there in that shady spot.
I definitely see the appeal to the shade, and the shade is lovely, but unfortunately, like, we have to consider solar. So
yeah, true.
with us, we've got like all our power and everything like that, and everything runs off power, so
Yeah.
we don't really use gas. So what I'm thinking is, probably where we're standing right now, this campground, the issue with it is it's not super level. So wherever we go, like, we're not going to get perfect level, but we can use the airbags to kind of help out with that a bit.
Cool.
Have you ever reversed the Caravan? I haven't reversed the Caravan, but I had a jet ski for a few years, so I have some experience reversing trailers.
That's probably, I find for a lot of people with caravans, that is the most stressful part of our
Sure.
trips. We might get you to reverse it in.
Okay.
Probably the thing we got to watch out for the first, right, with this is just how big it is. Your biggest risk around here is tree branches and stuff. It's
like
not
that.
even just long. It's like, it's quite high. It is very high.
Yeah.
Like, we're talking probably 3.3 meters. What we do is, like, we'll just check the surroundings, make sure there's nothing that you can just swing it into easily, because that's the last thing we want to be dealing with today, hey?
Got a pretty clear running for this one, I guess.
Yeah, got a pretty clear run. So what we're going to be doing is basically just swinging the butt of the van back in that direction and then trying to just go back nice and straight. So, you ready to give it a go, mate?
Do it.
Let's do it.
Just probably take the handbrake off.
So just push it, yeah. This is where it gets bad, when you got people around and a bit extra pressure, hey.
How we looking, Ash? Just want to make sure we don't go into that fireplace.
All right, I might get you to stop there, mate.
Yep.
Probably what we might do is we'll give you a hand now. So instead of Ash having to yell out,
Yep.
we have a secret weapon for that.
Yep.
So we'll get them out.
Oh, the radios.
This one, I don't think we could live without. We use these to reverse the Caravan, for spotting. These are invaluable.
Hey, Ash. Looks like you guys were prepared for this one.
This makes it easier.
All right, I'll give you that.
Great. You got me?
Copy.
Just kind of go straight back now.
Yeah, you should be right. I'll just double check and make sure you're on the right line. You might need to push a little more. Ben, you might need to explain
Okay.
what push and pull means.
So what Ash is talking about is a method we learn online, and it works really well because Ash doesn't know her lefts and rights very well.
Yeah.
So what she actually means is she's talking about push the van, and she wants you to push a person out the vehicle. So she means go as if you have a person here and you're going to push them out.
Yeah, okay.
And if she says pull in, then you'll be pulling them in.
Okay.
So if you listen to Ash's push and pulls,
Yeah.
then it should make it a fair bit easier.
So you said pull?
Push a little.
Push a little. Push a little,
Other
copy.
way, so you're pushing them out, yep.
Yep, now correct it. And pretty much straight back from there. So just try and keep her as straight as you can.
She's just running around.
Good. Pull a little more. Bring it straight back. That'll do it.
Definitely handy having a spotter with a radio.
One of the most important parts is hitching and unhitching. So that's where these things come in.
It's under here.
Yep, I just do front and back of one tyre.
You know, I spend a lot of time in the outdoors, so it's like if we're going for overnighter,
Yeah.
like I know what to pack.
Yeah.
But these little like details, I feel like if someone's like, oh, here's a caravan for the night, I'd be like, sweet, let's go,
Yeah.
just drive off.
Yeah.
But that's the sort of stuff I feel like I would forget.
It just becomes a routine.
Yeah, that's it. It's all part of the ritual.
Handbrake, also super important.
Yeah.
So always make sure you pull up the handbrake before you unhitch.
Yeah, that makes sense.
The rest of these things, like the lights and Anderson plugs and this braking system, that can come off.
Oh, is that like an emergency thing? If
Yeah,
the,
so
the
this
caravan comes off.
Yeah, so this is a emergency trailer brake. So
Yeah.
if this pin pulls out, the brakes lock in,
Yeah.
which is super handy and super safe. Always leave the chains on until you've unhitched. Okay, there.
I see you guys don't have the windy handle. You got a bit of something fancy going on
this
here.
This is luxury. So this is our electronic jockey wheel. So you just hold the switch. So the DO35 hitches have a locking mechanism on them, which also makes it super safe.
Yeah.
So you also just need to unlock that.
So Ben was saying that, like when I was reversing it, we just went forward a bit and then came back.
Yeah.
That was take pressure off something.
So if you're not straight, the caravan will jump. Going forward a couple meters and bringing it back just releases all of that movement from the wheels, and it just means that it doesn't jump off, basically. Hey Daygin,
Yes.
were you paying attention when I was showing you how to unhitch the caravan?
I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're about to find out, because I think you should hitch up the caravan to the car.
Okay. This one has a little bit more steps than a jet ski trailer, but
Just a couple,
yeah.
but we'll be here to help
Okay.
you.
Mate, you are caravan ready, my friend. Nailed it. All right, so one of our accessories that we went through in the factory, in the warehouse this morning, was a drill. A little bit like the airbags and the electric jockey wheels, we use the drill to take the manual labour out of it. These things are called stabiliser legs.
Yep.
So basically what these do is they stop the van like rocking and rolling when you walk around in it.
Yep.
Steadies it out a fair bit. So if you pop the drill on the ground, and you'll see that little handle like just over here.
Yep.
All right, so use your left hand on that. And then if you take a bit of pressure off the leg by pushing it up and pull it out at the same time, it's a bit tricky, this one, and then it will be able to drop down. Yep. Yep, there you go. Drop it down. And usually it's never going to be set at the correct height, right?
Yep.
So this is where the drill comes in handy.
Oh yeah,
So-
on this thing.
Yep, so if you got your drill, put it on forward. Yep, perfect. Yep, you should be right. Now we're going to get another accessory that we went through the other day. You remember that tie gear bag with all the tie downs?
Tie down?
Yeah, good job.
Excellent.
Yep.
The awning, was it?
Yep, for the awning.
Yeah, sweet. There we go.
You right?
Going.
So I'll give you these.
Yep. Oh, these are the pegs?
Yep, the pegs. So we're going to use the drill and we're basically going to screw them down.
I like a bit of shade, but it's been a bit of a process. I was thinking maybe we could finally go for a swim.
Mate, we are up to the good stuff now.
Yeah.
Let's chuck that drill away and we'll go for a swim.
Okay, sweet.
Such a pretty place to swim here.
Can't wait. Hey.
Super
Perfect
hot
swimming conditions.
there. No, it's so sweaty.
Yeah. Hopefully we get to take a nice photo. Blue water. Oh, it looks so good. So keen to get in the water.
Bit of a journey. We made it to the destination, hey?
So good. So worth it.
This is like, it's a bit of a process, I think, like with a caravan, but obviously once you do it more often, just the easier, the smoother, the quicker it gets. But being able to literally bring your house out to beautiful locations like this.
Yeah.
This is kind of why we love it, mate, and this is why we travel full time. Like we get to see places like this. I reckon we should make the most of this blue water and jump in there, eh?
Let's do it.
You always think you're going to have like heaps of time when you live like this life, but a lot of the time the days just evaporate.
Yeah. It seems like chores is maybe not the right word, but it's like all the things you have to do. Yeah. You know, Ben was saying like he'd kind of prepare everything so that you're always like ready to go. Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah. And that would, having that like system dialed probably like reduces that time so much. Instead of taking 3 hours to like set up camp, you know, like you unhitch the van and then like everything's kind of set up in like 10 minutes and
For sure.
ready to go.
Such a sick day, hey?
Dude, that was great. Yeah, thanks for bringing me along. Really got everything we wanted. Hey,
It kind of makes it more exciting, like showing someone that doesn't experience like the whole caravan thing. It kind of makes us look at it with fresh eyes, like us having to think about the different routines and preps that we just do like naturally now. We actually had to think about it so we could explain it to you. I know when we started out caravanning, there was definitely a lot more to it than what we realised, and like a lot to learn. And there's a lot to risk too, which is what we spoke about. So if you're not really well prepared, it's like a lot of money worth of damage you can cause. So do you remember our prerequisites, your prerequisites that you came up for your first caravan trip this morning?
yeah, well, I think we nailed it. You know, I was kind of looking for a little bit of an adventure, see kind of where we can take a caravan, somewhere pristine. That creek was pretty pristine.
So nice.
That first one was beautiful, and the one we went to this afternoon, that was like even more special.
Yeah.
It was so quiet, and it's that beautiful afternoon light and sharing laughs and hangs in a beautiful place.
Yeah.
And now we get to wrap up here and listening to all the bugs, getting ready to go to sleep and
Cook some nice food. How good is it sitting out beside a fire in nature with your house in the background, eating a good feed, hey?
Yeah, thanks so much for dinner.
Nah, man, my pleasure. Thanks for coming out with us.
Oh, it's a great day. Great day.
If this adventure has got you inspired to hit the road for some caravanning, remember it pays to be prepared. That includes insurance, and Youi has a range of options that can suit you and your caravan. Head to the Youi website today to start a quote.